How we doing, guys? Just looking at two short questions from page 73 in the old book. We're looking at a thing called the product rule for derivatives and the quotient rule. So the product rule, these are two rules for essentially if you have one function multiplied by another. Now, here you can see that when you multiply that out, you get a quadratic, which we know how to differentiate. It's 6x minus 2. But you will get some questions where it's more work to multiply the out the function rather than to just use this product rule that we're about to learn. So this is for when we have one function multiplied by another, we can use this rule here. So one function in x we call u, the other function in x we call v. So here u is 3x plus 4 and v is x minus 2. And the rule says that the derivative of that function will be u dv dx plus v du dx. So for us here in question 1 part 1, u is 3x plus 4 and v is x minus 2. Du dx, differentiate this, you get 3. And dv dx, differentiate that, you get 1. So dy dx is u dv dx, that is going to be 3x plus 4 by dv dx is 1 plus v du dx, well v is x minus 2 times du dx is 3. So that's 3x plus 4 plus 3x minus 6, and that gives us 6x minus 2. Same as we saw before. Now, we're not going to derive this rule. We're just going to trust me that it's true. And you can see from this example that it works. Now, that looks like more work. It is more work for this kind of simple example. But we need to know how to do this for trickier examples because it can save work in a lot of those. The quotient rule is the same idea. It's one function divided by another function. So a function in x, u, divided by another function in x, v. So in this example here, question 2 part 5, the first function is 2x cubed and the second function is 1 minus 2x. U here is 2x cubed, v is 1 minus 2x, so du dx is going to be 6x squared and dv dx is minus 2. Here's the quotient rule. It says if you have two functions divided by each other, one called u, one called v, then the derivative is v du dx minus u dv dx all over v squared. So for us, that is going to be that f prime, the derivative of this, or dy dx if you prefer, is v 1 minus 2x, du dx is 6x squared, minus u is 2x cubed, dv dx is minus 2, all divided by v is 1 minus 2x and v squared. Okay, so what do we get out of that? We get ourselves 6x squared minus 12x cubed minus 4x. Oh, excuse me, minus by minus is plus 4x cubed, all divided by 1 minus 2x squared, which gives us 6x squared minus 8x cubed over 1 minus 2x squared. Okay, so that's that function differentiated. So these are two very straightforward rules. Now this exercise also contains something called the chain rule that I'm going to deal with in the next video. So for now, I'd like you to do question 1 part 2 and question 2 part 1. In class tomorrow, we're going to finish questions 1 to 6 and then do 14, 15, 16, 19 and 22 if we have time. Okay, so if you could take them down and try these two questions, and I'll see you tomorrow.